Yeah, hello all. This is Priyanka. You are watching me on Small Talks. Welcome to Small Talks again. And today we are with Mr. Anil Kumar Bhardwaj, Secretary General MOB YMCA. So let's know what MOB is exactly. Sir, can you just let us know what MOB is?
Okay, MOB is an acronym. We use it for Meet Old Buddies.
Mm-hmm.
Basically, it is an alumni association of people who have completed their initially post diploma, then advanced diploma, these days BTech or MTech or PhD or other science courses from YMCA Institute of Engineering. Then it became YMCA University of Science and Technology, Faridabad. Now it is renamed as JC Bose University of Science and Technology, Faridabad. So it is an alumni association which we lovingly call MOB.
Okay, sir. Thank you. So, sir, being an alumni of YMCA, me as well, I can see people talking about mob elections for the president. So, is it happening in upcoming days?
Yes, every 2 years we conduct our GBM and the team is selected or decided for 2 years. But it is in MOB, it is a registered NGO as well as a registered alumni association. So the procedure is not of election where every member votes, but the procedure is different members get to nominate their candidate through chapters. And then it is a governing council which actually selects the president. We don't do elections. That is not is how the process is defined.
Okay, sir. So, when does this GBM get happens?
Normally, GBM is conducted on every alternate year in
Okay,
December on second or third Saturday of December.
okay,
But this year, due to COVID, we are not having physical GBM. We may have a virtual meeting,
okay.
but as per procedure, we have invited names which
Mm-hmm.
will go to the governing council
Okay.
for selection of president.
So, for selection of president, as you mentioned that people nominate the person for the president post, correct? So, how can
Yes.
someone nominate for the president post?
So, Priyanka, actually, MOB works through chapters. We
Okay.
have more than 20 active chapters. Some are in India, like Faridabad chapter, Gurgaon chapter, Jaipur chapter. I mean, we have different cities, then some state level chapters, depending upon, 50 to 100 people. We have a
Okay.
chapter in Singapore, in Canada, in USA, in Dubai, we have a very active chapter.
Mm-hmm.
So, these chapters have their chapter chairs.
Okay.
Now, those chapter chairs can discuss among their member
Mm-hmm.
and then select a person who can contribute to the cause of mob, a person who has achieved personal and professional experience, excellence, and a person who comes with a social stature and who is a person of integrity. And they can send that nomination to the returning officer who has been designated this year. It is past president of mob, engineer Naresh Kumar Agarwal, 1974 batch MD, MT machine tools, and his email ID is cmdsecy, that is CMD secretary at ddil.in.
Okay. Thank you, sir. And sir, as you mentioned that mob president gets assigned for 2 years, right?
Yes,
For every GBM, right?
yes.
So, what should be the best tenure period for this post? Is it good for 2 years?
That is how we have kept it. But most of the president, previous president, if you look at uh, Ramneek Bawa sir, who was the founder president, or Naresh Kumar sir himself, or even current president Naveen Sood, people have 2 to 3 and sometimes even 4 tenures because it is actually mob is a family.
Yes.
So, and if a person is contributing and the organization is growing and you're doing your task, so the president's designation is more of a designation to serve the alumni association. If someone is serving well and governing council feels that the continuity is equally important, then governing council can renominate sitting president. But as far as I am aware, current President Naveen Soodji, he has done 2 tenure and he is very keen that some new person comes with fresh ideas and takes mob forward.
Okay, sir. So, as you mentioned, the governance committee for mob, who decides about this all thing? So who all are the members in this governance committee?
So we have governing council comprises of basically founder members. We had 5 founder members, but they are all from first batch, that is 1973 batch.
Mhm.
But Satish Bakshi ji has died, so we have 4 founder members. And then we have past presidents. Anybody who becomes mob president is member of that council, and it is like a elders group of our mob. We all give them respect, and they decide after consulting all the chapter chair and different members, so that it is acceptable to all the people and there is a cohesiveness.
Okay, so sir, as I can see the past history of MOP, the all MOP presidents were the senior persons in you can say corporate or business persons. Okay, why should not we give the chance to new generation as well, just like middle generation?
So mob as such, it is not defined anywhere that a person should be, owner of big business or should be a successful uh,
Corporate person.
entrepreneur or something, corporate person. But what generally happens for an organization like this, you have to sometimes give time. You have to go to university, you have to sometime on behalf of university contact higher officials in, say, Chandigarh in Haryana, sometimes in Delhi. When this becomes from post diploma to degree, there was a lot of effort which alumni did. So somebody who can contribute with time, somebody who can contribute with money, somebody who can help in conduct or sponsorship of programs, who can seek money from others, who's somebody who has a stature, is who becomes mob president. Mob does not discourage youngsters, but people who are generally in their active working life, active family life, sometimes are not able to spare time. But if some youngster is willing to spare time and willing to own the responsibility, I think our governing council will be very happy to give chance to such youngsters. And many youngsters are part of active mob alumni, executive council or chapter teams, and they have been doing very well.
Okay, so what's the exact vision of MOP president?
If you talk of current president, the vision was very clear that we engage more and more people, we expand and we make mob from an informal association to a formal. That is why we created this portal. Then we have created certain arrangement through that portal that all of the members are now registered, the database is available, people are connected, and chapters are actively engaged with their members. That is what is the basic vision. And of course we have to support our alma mater, so whether it is in supporting in form of scholarships to the student or in form of other support, sponsorship of their different projects, sponsorship of their participation in competition, all that is part of the vision for MOB.
Okay, so if some new member wants to join MOB, what's the process to joining the MOB?
Okay, I think I said it, but I am, to explain it more clearly. Anybody who has
Yes.
completed a course at YMCA University is a member of MOB, because at the time of taking NOC, he actually, from the money or deposit, 500 rupees are deducted as lifetime membership charge. So anybody who has completed is actually member of YMCA MOB. Now, how do you become active? You can become active by participation in local chapter activities. You can become active by sending mails to somebody in core team, MOB executive committee team. You can share what do you want to do. You sometimes can take lectures for current student. You can take lectures for people who are looking for some more knowledge gain, or you can conduct lecture like presently RAC team is doing wonderful work by organizing lecture. So anybody can start some activity and then become part of the MOB.
Yeah, thank you, sir. And if someone wants to submit some suggestions for MOB activities, where can that be done?
MOB is a very open organization. Generally, anybody who sends suggestions, those suggestions are not only given, due attention, but everybody is given a chance in MOB. And recently, only 10-15 days back, there is a MOB strategy group which actually conducted a survey. The survey was kept open for 10-15 days. Lot of good feedback has come there. Even now people want to give feedback, they can give feedback either to me or to president or any other office bearer or their chapter chair. And not, if not anything else, they can send it to the returning officer Naresh Kumar Agarwal ji at the email ID which I told you, cmdsccy@ddil.in.
Okay, sir. So, sir, let's say कि मैं किसी भी chapter की member नहीं हूँ and I want to join some chapter. Then how can I decide कि मुझे कौन सा chapter join करना चाहिए?
ओके, तो आप नॉर्मली मॉब में हमने बहुत फ्री रखा हुआ है, बहुत टाइट बाउंड्रीज नहीं है, या तो जहां आप रहते हो, where do you live or where do you work. You know, some people, especially in NCR, some people work in Delhi and stay in Gurgaon. So you can join any chapter, and on WhatsApp you can be active in both the groups. But when it comes to such important things like helping nomination of member, you should say I am a member of this chapter and participate in discussion there. Even if you are not, you are staying in some remote place like say, even though we have an MP and Bhopal chapter, but say you are staying in Jabalpur and you are not active and you want that you or your friend should be nominated for the post, you should send the details to Naresh Kumar ji with your own detail as person who is nominating himself or as a person of the person whom you are nominating as president to Naresh ji. And I am sure the governing council will consider such submissions where you can first share what you have done professionally and also share why you want to contribute to the post, how will you actually help the organization grow. And I am sure each nomination will be considered on merit and given credence.
Okay, sir, one more question. If I'm not part of any chapter, then also can I be a mob president? What's the process for that?
Actually, you are part of mob, so you may not be active in any chapter, you may not have participated in some activities recently, or you have moved, you have transferred, or you have shifted, say, from India to Canada. You can still say that now I am at that stage of life, I want to contribute, and then send your nomination to Naresh Kumar ji. It will be good if you can back your nomination with some of your batchmates or with some of your other alumni colleagues, so that others can share good opinion about you with the governing council and they can take informed decision. But you can send your nomination to Naresh Kumar ji at, again repeat, cmdsccy@ddil.in, and I'm sure governing council will look at your such enthusiastic submissions.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. That's all from my side today, and have a good evening.
Thank you, Priyanka. Thank you for your effort, and please disseminate this message so that more and more people who want to get involved and help a good president to come and lead the mob should get this information. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you, sir. And if you are watching this video and you are YMCA Mob alumni member or you are YMCA student, please share it with your knowingly YMCA members and nominate more and more people for YMCA Mob president and subscribe the channel for mob internal informations again and again.